50 Shades of McGiffin podcast coming in hot. I saw a spider. Imagine prehistoric age, like you're just primitive walking down the street with a spear, the forest. Then a spider just spins you up in a web and gets you. Your modern day human would probably poke it in the eyes, get a lighter, burn the silk, get a bit of gum, spit it at the spider, get its fangs stuck, walk off, start complaining about, the price of electricity. I love being Australian. Reason why? Look at the size of our land mass. Then we own 49% of Antarctica. 1/3 of it is actually land covered in ice. Wouldn't it be great if a volcano just erupted in our waters? Get like a massive new island the size of Tasmania. We just claim it, 10,000 years emergency food supply, emergency farming. Look at that, $15 for that hat. Talk about a bargain. Mate, Aussie, 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 oi, 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 everyone have a good Australia Day coming up.